we talk about mobile operating systems, there are only two major solutions around today, Android and iOS. And you know Apple's tight control over iOS means that Android is the only true solutions for companies building their own smartphones. But Android also is very much dependent on Google, and due to problems Huawei can't use Google services, so they started working on their own operating system called HarmonyOs. And today Huawei finally launches HarmonyOs 2.0 beta for developers and gave us instructions how we can install it. So first up, these are the devices which supports HarmonyOs beta version. And don't worry, many more MU11 devices should be supported in the future, but the first beta version is limited to these devices only. And having said that, if you are curious to see the new operating system run on real hardware, here it is installed on the Huawei P40. Yes, this is our really first look at the operating system working on a phone. And after looking into this video, I would say just don't expect the UI to look all that different. Harmony and MB shares a lot, of course, really it's words under the hood that is different. In fact, the good news is that HarmonyOs can run Android apps just fine, and it's really similar to Android. And I guess Huawei is hoping to make the new operating system as familiar to Android app developers as possible in order to minimize obstacles in migrating to new operating system. And also I would say even it's in early stages, the animations looks really smooth and fast. And you know what? Huawei isn't relying on just Android apps. It announced to develop a competition with great rewards for new apps for Harmony, so people around the globe are making apps for HarmonyOs right now. And with that being said, HarmonyOs does include many new features. Here is a demo video which shows a core design idea for the OS is to power what Huawei calls an Internet of Everything, meaning the UI needs to adjust to many different screens like phone, tablet, car, and so on. To that end, developers can use over 50 highly adaptable distributed UI controls. And having said that, how we can install HarmonyOs in our phone. Remember one thing, you should have these phones to install the operating system. So first up, I will share a link in my description. You have to go to that page, it's in Chinese, you have to sign up, and if they approved you will receive a confirmation email, and the update will be pushed to your phone or tablet a couple of days after that. You will find installation instructions on that page as well. And don't worry, after trying out the new software, you can roll back to MU11. Just make sure to back up your data before you do any of this, as the rollback process will wipe the device. So yeah, this is our very first look at the HarmonyOs. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video is up to the channel, will definitely make my day. So as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.